Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill S53. S53 is about applying exploratory and confirmatory approaches to your data and, crucially, validating the results. The goal is simple: to prove that your insights are real facts, not just random luck or noise in the data. The problem is that many analysts jump to conclusions based on simple hunches, which leads to bad business decisions. To meet this requirement, you need to demonstrate a structured process. First, explore to find patterns. Second, confirm to test those patterns statistically. And third, validate to double-check that the patterns hold up on new data. Here is your S53 cheat sheet. You need to operate with two distinct mindsets. First, the exploratory mindset. Think of this as being a detective. Your goal is to generate a hypothesis. Your tools are visualization, like scatter plots and histograms, and data profiling. Second, the confirmatory mindset. Think of this as being a scientist. Your goal is to test that hypothesis. Your tools are formal statistical tests, like t-tests and p-values. Finally, you need validation. This is quality control. Your goal is to ensure stability. The best tool here is the train test split, checking if your result holds true on data you haven't seen before. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. Take a recent insight or pattern you found in your data. Ask yourself honestly, did I actually prove this, or did I just see a chart that looked about right? Your task is to run a simple statistical test on that insight. You can do a t-test right inside Excel. For your evidence, screenshot that test result, specifically the p-value, and add it to your report with the caption, "Confirmed with 95% confidence." This instantly elevates your work from opinion to analysis. Use this STAR structure for your portfolio. Situation: we suspected seasonal trends were affecting sales performance. Task: I needed to determine if this was a real, repeatable pattern or just random noise. Action: I used exploratory analysis, specifically line charts, to identify the potential trend. I then used confirmatory analysis, a statistical test, to prove it was significant. Finally, I validated the result by checking if the model worked on data from previous years. Result: I confirmed the trend was real, and inventory planning was adjusted accordingly. Reflection: I learned that visual patterns can be deceiving, and rigorous statistical confirmation is necessary for trust. For your major project, ensure S53 is visible in your methodology section. If you are doing any predictive work, you must explicitly mention that you used a train test split to validate your model. This is critical for high marks. Also, show the exploratory charts that led to your decision-making. Don't just show the final result, show the process of testing and validating your assumptions. This proves your scientific mindset. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.